Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to make a blog. First, you will need to select a unique domain name and secure a good web hosting provider. Many hosts offer specialized WordPress plans, making the initial setup very straightforward. Once your hosting is ready, install WordPress, which typically takes just a few clicks. After installation, log into your WordPress dashboard using the credentials provided to start building your online presence. Now that WordPress is installed, it is time to choose a theme. Themes dictate your blog's visual design and user experience. You can browse thousands of free and premium options directly from your dashboard. After selecting a theme, use the customizer to adjust colors, fonts, and header images to reflect your brand. Remember to create important static pages, such as an About Me or Contact page, for your visitors. With your design in place, you are ready to start writing. Navigate to Posts and click Add New to open the WordPress editor. Here, you can write your articles, add images, and format your text. Organize your content effectively using categories and tags, which help readers find related articles. Consider installing a few key plugins, such as one for search engine optimization and another for enhanced security, to improve your blog's performance. Before going live, take a moment to review everything. Check your posts for errors, ensure all links work, and confirm your site looks great on various devices. Once you are satisfied, it is time to launch your blog to the world. Share your new articles on social media and other relevant platforms to attract your first readers. Remember, consistent, high-quality content is key to growing your audience over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.